It's another interesting elevator here today on the 27th of July 2023. Here is Läntinen Brahenkatu, Västra Brahegatan 12 here in Alppi-Harju, Helsinki, Forsvåsumuni and Finland, close to Kallioverhelle, and the capacity is 3 persons and 2 pilgrims. And but this was originally built by ASEA in 1940 and modernized with Kone fixtures in 1994, but almost completely replaced.
Yeah.
But still we can take the runs here with self-large and yes, the cylinder is, the interior is beautiful, but it should have been the original one.
Yeah.
The cylinder is 4049677. It's more or less 1995, but probably the beginning of 1995.
Yeah.
It is weird. We'll be expecting it the next year, 2024, and it will be 85 years old in 2025, and the procedure will be 30 years old then. Yes, it's likely to be happy in the beginning of 1995.
Yeah. These did by Kivaisputant, maintained by Kone.
I like the sounds and the smell in here. And I also like these turquoise or light doors.
So.
But the original was best.
Yeah. That's